In terms of talking about experience and how it's become different over time, I think it's really interesting to look at the cultural evolution of colour, because different, different cultures, if we just look at the history of Western civilization, if we look at texts from ancient Greece, how colour is written about is very different from how we would write and think about colour now, which suggests that people experience the visual world, at least to describe it, in a way which was quite different. Like they would group colours, certain colours together that we would think are very different. A famous phrase in Homer, the wine dark sea, when we read that we think, well, the sea's blue, it's not red, but the word that he was using was probably for some dark shade which wasn't associated with, blue or red in those hues, but actually it's more about the tonality of colour, whereas our colour concepts are much more tied to hues, that those colour boxes and those crayons that we remember as from children, that's like our primary means of like grasping colour concepts. It's specific rainbow shades, whereas other cultures pay more attention to light and darkness, and also material qualities of colour, like how shiny and dull they are.